Business etiquettes during meetings. Hey there, my amazing subscribers. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to dive deep into the world of business etiquettes during meetings. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your career, these etiquettes are essential to leave a lasting impression and succeed in any business setting. So grab a pen and paper because we're about to drop some knowledge bombs. Point 1. Dress to impress. First impressions matter, right? Well, that's especially true when it comes to business meetings. Dressing appropriately not only shows respect for the occasion, but also helps to establish credibility. Make sure to dress professionally, taking into consideration the dress code of the company or the occasion. Remember, looking sharp can go a long way in creating a positive impression. Point 2. Be punctual. Time is money, my friends. Being punctual for a meeting shows that you value other people's time and demonstrates your professionalism. Don't keep your colleagues or clients waiting. Aim to arrive a few minutes early and use this time to settle in, review your agenda, and prepare yourself mentally for the meeting ahead. Point 3. Active listening. In a meeting, it's not just about speaking up, it's also about being an active listener. Show respect and interest by maintaining eye contact, nodding, and providing verbal cues. Avoid interrupting others and let them finish their thoughts. Remember, good communication is a two-way street, and active listening is a key component. Point 4. Mind your body language. Did you know that your body language speaks louder than words? Well, it does in the business world too. Maintain an open posture, avoid crossing your arms, and sit up straight. Show confidence and engagement through your body language to positively influence the meeting dynamics. Trust me, this nonverbal communication can make a significant difference. Point 5. Mind your devices. In today's digital age, it's important to be mindful of our devices during meetings. Keep distractions at bay by silencing your phones and avoiding unnecessary scrolling or texting. Give your undivided attention to the meeting and show respect to the speaker. Your full presence will not go unnoticed.